Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the horizontal lock feature is causing your video to jitter on Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus smartphone. So in such case, the only right solution would be disabling the horizontal lock, which we can do by going to camera, tapping on this human icon at the top bar and disabling the super steady with horizontal lock mode. Because if you are recording a fast-paced erratic action, the stuttering may be caused by gyroscope compensation, and there is no other solution than simply disabling the horizontal lock on your smartphone in such cases. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.